In this video, we'll show you how to connect your UPS system to a source of AC power, and then how to connect your equipment to the UPS system. We'll also show you how to make a number of optional connections that enhance UPS operation. We'll start by showing you how to connect models with cords and outlets like this one. Then, we'll show you how to connect models with hardwired terminals like this one. We'll also show you how to connect models with multiple power, battery, and transformer modules. Since this is a general overview, your product may differ slightly than those shown in this video. Let's start with safety procedures for input connections. This video does not replace your product's owner's manual. Follow all warnings and procedures in the manual. Failure to do so may damage your product, cause injury, and void your warranty. The user must determine the fitness of materials and procedures before mounting. The procedures described in this video are for common rack and enclosure types and may not be appropriate for all applications. The policy of Tripp Lite is one of continuous improvement. All procedures are subject to change without notice. The following safety warnings apply to both corded and hardwired models. The circuit that supplies power to the UPS must be single-phase. It must be grounded, and it must provide adequate protection against excess current, short circuits, and earth faults. Most UPS models are 3-wire, hot, neutral, and ground, but some models are 4-wire, including an extra hot. Check your model and ensure the circuit wiring matches. If you connect your UPS directly to a motor-powered AC generator or to a wall outlet that is supplied by a generator, the generator must provide filtered, frequency-regulated, computer-grade output. Connecting your UPS to a generator may affect its ultimate lifetime insurance. Connect your UPS to a properly grounded AC power outlet. The outlet that supplies the UPS should be near the UPS and be easily accessible. Do not connect your UPS's input to its output. This will damage the UPS and may affect your warranty. The following safety warnings apply to corded models only. Do not modify the UPS's plug or use an adapter that would eliminate the UPS's connection to ground. Do not use extension cords to connect the UPS to an outlet. Your warranty will be voided if anything other than Tripp Lite surge suppressors are used to connect your UPS to an outlet. The following safety warnings apply to hardwire models only. Wiring must be done by a qualified electrician. When making wiring connections, electricians should observe the cable connection regulations appropriate to your area. For example, the National Electrical Code, NEC, in the U.S. Ensure that cables are fitted with cable sleeves and are secured by connector clamps. Make sure that your equipment is properly grounded. Using cables of improper size may damage your equipment and cause fire hazards. Choose appropriate cabling and protection circuits to make wiring connections. Ground conductors must be the same size and power type as the conductors used. For corded models, simply plug the UPS system's cord into a grounded wall outlet. For hardwire models, employ a qualified electrician to make connections following appropriate regulations. After connecting the UPS to a source of AC power, the UPS will enter standby mode. Fans and front panel indicators will be turned on, but the power will not be supplied to the connected equipment until the UPS is turned on, which is covered in a separate video. The following safety warnings apply to all models, both corded and hardwired. Use of a UPS system in life support applications, where failure of the UPS system can reasonably be expected to cause the failure of the life support equipment or to significantly affect its safety or effectiveness, is not recommended. Do not use the UPS system in the presence of a flammable anesthetic mixture with air, oxygen, or nitrous oxide. The UPS contains an internal battery. The output terminals may be live even when the UPS is not connected to an AC power source. Do not connect surge suppressors or extension cords to the output of your UPS. This might damage the UPS and may affect the surge suppressor and UPS warranties. Your UPS is designed to support electronic equipment only. Do not connect household appliances or laser printers. You will overload your UPS if the total VA rating for all equipment you connect exceeds the UPS's output capacity. To find your equipment's VA ratings, look on their nameplates. If the equipment is listed in amps, multiply the number of amps by the input voltage to determine the VA. For corded models, simply plug equipment into the UPS's outlets. For hardwire models, employ a qualified electrician to make connections following appropriate regulations. Some UPS models, like this one, include all components, power, battery, and transformer, in one chassis. Other UPS models, like this one, include multiple modules. With these models, all modules must be properly connected before operation. If your UPS includes multiple modules, connect them in the following order. First, if your UPS has a detachable PDU, connect it to the power module. Second, if your UPS has a transformer, connect it to the power module or the power module's detachable PDU. Third, connect your equipment to the UPS's output, either on the power module or on the transformer module. Fourth, connect the power module or the power module's detachable PDU to an AC power source. Finally, connect the battery module to the power module. Small sparks may result during this connection. This is normal. Do not connect or disconnect battery modules when the UPS is running on battery power. The following connections are optional. Your UPS system will function properly without these connections. Use the included USB or serial cable to locally connect a computer or server to the UPS system. Install Tripp Lite Power Alert software on the computer. Dry contact communications are possible. Contact Tripp Lite for details. To remotely manage the UPS, remove the cover on the rear panel and install an optional internal SNMP web card, available separately from Tripp Lite. Contact Tripp Lite for details. This optional feature is only for those applications that require connection to a facility's EPO circuit. When UPSs are connected to this circuit, it enables firefighters or first responders to remotely shut down the inverters and inhibit transfer to internal bypass. Using the included cable, connect the UPS's EPO port to a user-supplied, normally closed or open switch. Refer to your owner's manual for additional information if you use this option. The EPO port is not a phone line surge suppressor. Do not connect a phone line to this port. All models accept additional external batteries to extend the runtime of the UPS systems. Note that adding external batteries will naturally increase recharge time as well. Connect the battery module to the power module. Small sparks may result during this connection. This is normal. Do not connect or disconnect battery modules when the UPS is running on battery power. Select models feature a battery charge level switch located just below the external battery connector. See manual for details. Thank you for your interest in Tripp Lite solutions. Tripp Lite offers over 2,500 UPS systems, PDUs, rack systems, cooling, and connectivity products. For additional help installing or operating your product, contact your local Tripp Lite representative or our customer service department.